News that's coming in at the moment is former cricketer Shikhar Dhawan, who's now hit out at Shahid Afridi. It is Shikhar Dhawan who said, "Don't stoop to new lows. We are proud of our Indian Army." Now this in response to when Shahid Afridi said, "Where was the Indian Army when the attack took place?" Afridi has said Army arrived an hour late and then later blamed Pakistan. We are now seeing Shikhar Dhawan, who's given a befitting response to Shahid Afridi. Shikhar Dhawan in his response has said, "Don't stoop to newer lows. We are proud of our Indian Army." It was Shahid Afridi who had said, "Where was the Indian Army? The Indian Army arrived an hour late on the scene where the attack took place, and now both the Indian Army and the Indian government are blaming Pakistan for this terror attack." Let's listen in to what Shikhar Dhawan said. Let's listen in to what Shahid Afridi said.
कोई भी मुल्क कोई भी मजहब सपोर्ट नहीं करता। आप एक घंटे तक दहशतगर्द वहाँ दहशतगर्दी करते रहे, ठीक है। वहाँ तक 8 लाख फौज में से कोई नहीं आया, और जब आए तो 10 मिनट के ऊपर पाकिस्तान पे इल्ज़ाम लगा दिया। तो आई मीन कि खुद ही ब्लंडर्स मारते रहते हैं। देखिए, दहशतगर्दी आप कोई भी मुल्क कोई भी मजहब सपोर्ट नहीं करता। आप एक घंटे तक दहशतगर्द वहाँ दहशतगर्दी करते रहे, ठीक है। वहाँ तक 8 लाख फौज में से कोई नहीं आया, और जब आए तो 10 मिनट के ऊपर पाकिस्तान पे इल्ज़ाम लगा दिया। तो आई मीन कि
My colleague Shivani Sharma is now joining me on the story. Shivani, we just heard what Shahid Afridi had said. He, in fact, is pointing fingers at the Indian Army.
Aishwarya, Shahid Afridi has given a very shameless kind of a remark, and to which Shikhar Dhawan has now responded that Kargil में भी हराया था, already इतना गिरे हुए हो और कितना गिरोगे. I'm reading from the post that Shikhar Dhawan has put out on X, and he also said that बेवजह कमेंट्स पास करने से अच्छा है अपने देश की तरक्की में दिमाग लगाओ. शाहिद अफरीदी, he has tagged Shahid Afridi and he said that हमें हमारी इंडियन आर्मी पर बहुत गर्व है. भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद. So this is a befitting response, a reply that Shikhar Dhawan has now given to these comments that had come yesterday from Shahid Afridi, where he had questioned the Indian army. So now Shikhar Dhawan has given out and lashed out at Shahid Afridi. And the kind of comments we are getting from Pakistan's cricketers, from Pakistan's ministers, they are once again showing how rattled Pakistan remains after the Pahalgam attack and India's responses.
Right, thank you, Shivani, giving us all those details. At the moment, one thing is very, very clear. The entire Pakistani army and the government is spooked, and Shikhar Dhawan giving a befitting reply to Shahid Afridi, who said that it was the Indian army that arrived late, but Indians are now blaming Pakistan for the terror attack.